Welcome St. Leonard families. I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This is a sample of what your students will be watching during the Flip Math format this school year. Flip Math allows students to demonstrate mastery of concepts and progress at their individual pace. This is a sample of what a video would look like for the students. The video would give instructions, and then I would be using pointers and pens to give examples that the students would be writing in their notebooks. A lot of times we get asked, why Flip Math? We flip to make the most of the face-to-face class time. We're better meeting the needs of students by being able to better differentiate instruction. Flipping provides time for teacher-supported learning and discussion. During class time, I will be moving around the room to sit with students, answer questions, and be engaged in the students' discussions. A day in the life of a Flip Math student. Every day, our class begins with the class prayer. The class prayer is written below. Lord, help us in our work today. Give us concentration so that we may listen, understand, learn, and have a peaceful mind, and may we always remember that Jesus Christ is always with us. Amen. After the students have returned to their seats and gotten themselves organized, they take out their homework and place it on the corner of their desk. Then they will begin their 2-minute math. For the first couple of weeks, we're going to be taking practice times tables. This is going to be helping students master their fluency in their multiplication tables, better helping them be successful throughout the school year. Once the homework has been checked and students have finished their 2-minute math, they will then break into their predetermined groups. Last week, all the grade levels took a pre-assessment, and after grading the pre-assessments and grouping students based on their abilities, the students will then begin working with those groups, developing a relationship. Student groups can and will change throughout the school year. Some things that often change groups are student progress, attendance, participation, a variety of different things. While the students are working, I will be rotating around the room, answering questions, and being part of the conversation. Toward the end of class, before students are dismissed, they're going to be asked to take an exit ticket. This is just a sample of the screen that I see when the students take an exit ticket, but the exit ticket will ask students questions like, what did they do last night for homework? What is something they learned today? What is something they need to talk to me about? Please encourage your students to be honest during these exit tickets. This is a way for me to truly assess the students' learning and to make sure that they are in the most appropriate group and working at the most successful pace. Every month, the students will have problems of the month, and this is actually going to be monthly homework. It's a 10-question word problem homework, and this here is an example of what one would look like, and it's going to have 10 word problems. The word problems are on the left, and the students are expected to show their work on the right. Please encourage your students to show every step of their work. If something is going on in their head or on a calculator, I really need them to write it on the paper. I've tried to tell students that it is important that they show their work so that I can assure that they know their fluency in their facts, but that maybe they need help with the process or vice versa. The problems are assigned on the first school day of each month, and the problems of the month are due on the last school day of each month. The best feature about these videos is that students can rewind, replay, and pause the video at any time. Video links are going to be posted to their Google Classroom. Students have access to this classroom, but I will also post the code on Sycamore in case students accidentally get disconnected or unenrolled. If your student does not have internet access or is having trouble watching the video, please contact me as soon as possible. There's opportunities for students to come to school early, stay after school late, or come in during recess to watch the videos, or if they're just having some technical difficulties, I can try to help. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Please feel free to contact me through email or visit me after the parent open house with any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you.